In Islam, scholars used to be wealthy. That's in Islam. Sadly, today, I pity scholars. Oh well, I find it peculiar that scholars can enjoy their lives in today's world. Why? Because they're in their lowest wealth today. I know how much a professor earns. It's too heartbreaking. You know how they sing for an hour, but they earn more than a professor can earn in a month. They just dance. They don't use any knowledge. I don't think they went to school or so. They just dance and there's no knowledge in it. Imagine you see professors, they exhausted themselves in studying till their heads are bald, till their hair turned all white, till wrinkles filled their forehead. They spent a huge amount of time to do research, but their wealth is worth pity. You see how fair Islam is? Those who exhaust themselves, those who give the most benefit, they are the most worthy of wealth.